Welcome to Knowledge Platform. Now we're gonna see how to insert a picture or shape on MS Excel and how to format them. Let's see how to do that. This is a small database and this is my customer's record. Anywhere in this spreadsheet you can insert a picture or shape. Anywhere, click on the insert button. You can see the illustrations. Click on there. There are some options. Pictures. If you want to bring a picture from your PC, you need to select this option. If you want, you can bring a picture from Bing website as well. In that case, you need to select this option. At first, I'm gonna bring a picture from my PC. Click picture. There is one picture on my PC. Let me bring that one. You can put this picture anywhere on this spreadsheet. Just select it. You can move around. I'm gonna set this picture on the left side and right side of 2018 orders by customers. I'm gonna copy one more picture from this. Select it. Ctrl C. I need one picture on the right side. Ctrl V. Put it on the right side. Let me format this picture. Just select this picture. You can see there is a button says picture format. Click on that. There are lots of options to work with this picture. I want to go for the color. Click on that, choose any color and select the other one. Go to color, select the same color. Now change the background for this color. Right click to match it with the picture background color. It looks better with this color. Just adjust it. It matches with the other. If you want to make a border for this picture, you can make it. Click on the picture format, then picture border. If you want to put the different color for the border, you can put it like yellow and make the weight thickness maybe 3%. You see the picture border is yellow and it looks a bit wider, like 3% I think. So select the other picture, go to the picture border, select the yellow again, go to the weight 3%. It's done. You can choose any color. Insert a shape on this spreadsheet. Just click on insert, go to illustrations, click on shape. I can choose the rectangle, put it anywhere on this spreadsheet. I'll put this here and just adjust it with the total, then make it bigger. Because of the background color, I can see the total figure. So now how we can see the figures? Just select this shape and go to the shape format, then shape fill. Put no fill, the background color will be removed and you can see the figures. Just click on no fill. We can put a color for the border. Select this shape, then shape format, then go to shape outline. We're gonna select a color, maybe red color or any color. Again shape outline, then weight 3%. Let me bring another shape. Go to insert, illustration, then shapes. Bring this smiley face and put it anywhere on this spreadsheet. You see the yellow dot? Just click that one and take it up. See the mouth is a bit open. If you want to close it, just leave it there. It looks like the mouth is closed. Also, you can take it down more closer. I want to keep it open. Now we're gonna format this shape. Just click that shape. There is an option, shape format. Just click on that, then shape fill. Just click no fill. There is no color. I want to make border. Click on the shape outline. I want to put yellow color for the border. Also, I want to make the border thicker. Just click the shape outline, then weight 4.5%. And done the formatting with the smiley face. I'm gonna bring another shape. Click insert, illustration, shapes. Let me bring an arrow. Click anywhere and adjust it. If you want to make it bigger, just click on this dot, pull it on the left and bigger, or you can click on that one, take it on the right, it will be bigger. If you want to make it a bit wider, just click in there, pull it up, pull it down, smaller. And also tail, you can make it thinner. Click on that orange dot and take it down a little bit thinner. If you click on that orange dot and pull it behind, the head will be bigger. Make this still a bit bigger. And also you can change the color of this background. Select that arrow, then go to shape format, shape fill. If you want no fill, click no fill, then change the color of the border. I'm gonna put red color on the border, and also I want to make it thick. Just go to the weight. I'm gonna put 3%. This way you can format you can bring the picture or shape on the MS Excel spreadsheet, and also you can format them. If you don't have any picture on your PC, you can select it from the bin. How to get that? Just click inside illustration, click online pictures. It will bring the pictures that is loaded on bin. So you can select any picture, it will bring it on the Excel spreadsheet. And after that you can follow the steps I showed you for the formatting. I don't want to bring any of the pictures. Let's close this. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe my channel and put your comment at the bottom.